If you need to cancel a pending transaction on Discord, follow these steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Open Discord. Launch the Discord application on your device or open the Discord website in your browser. Log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Navigate to User Settings. Click on the gear icon located at the bottom left corner of the Discord interface. This will take you to your user settings. Step 3. Go to Billing Settings. In the User Settings menu, look for the Billing or Payments section. Click on it to view your transaction history and pending transactions. Step 4. Locate the pending transaction. Scroll through your transaction history to find the pending transaction you wish to cancel. Click on it to view more details. Step 5. Cancel the transaction. If the option is available, click on the Cancel button next to the pending transaction. Confirm the cancellation when prompted to ensure it is processed. Once you have completed these steps, the pending transaction should be cancelled. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Discord support for further assistance.